Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your year 2021 readings. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. I've already pulled out the cards, which includes tarot, oracle and color cards as well. So before I dive into the reading, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on the email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see what is coming up for the Leos in the year 2021. I'm gonna start with the tarot first and then we're gonna include these cards here. So let's see what is heading for the Leos in the year 2021. Let's begin. Ta-da! Wow, Ace of Pentacles. You entering into year 2021 with one of your wish getting granted. It can be about a love life situation, it can be about a work life situation, it can be about a home life situation. Something is definitely coming in your life as a new beginning. It's a blessing, it's a wish getting fulfilled, but yes, it's going to be something huge. It's something that you have been waiting and wishing and hoping for. It is something that you have prayed a lot for, to be very honest. Like, it's going to be something huge, something big. You might be receiving some sort of a gift as well in the very beginning of the year, or maybe you are entering into 2021 with that gift already received. So I do see that it's going to be the blessed beginning to a new year for sure. For the Leos out there, I feel like for some of you, maybe you will be it will be a year of abundance for you for sure. It will be perfectly fine to say that, because it seems like I don't know what are the remaining cards all about, because I haven't seen the cards, but seeing this card predicts pretty much that the year 2021 is going to be an abundant year for you in many ways for sure. I feel like you would be running away from people. People want to chase you. People want to follow you. People want to have your attention. People are basically going to admire you, love you a lot. Be that in love life, work life, or home life situation, you will be pretty much in demand, is what I'm picking up. Let's see more cards here. Four of Pentacles. I was just looking at the card because this is the new deck that I bought, so I haven't seen all the cards already of this deck. So I feel like there are so many people interested in you in the year 2021. You will be having a lot of offers coming in for you in love life. I feel like in love life and the work life both. I feel like if it applies to your work life situation, you will be flourishing your business, your work, like anything, because you will have a lot of opportunities coming up here, coming up for you, which is going to help you become more abundant. I would definitely suggest you to be grateful as you start off the year 2021, because I do see that there is something which is going to make you earn more and more and more. Love, money, finances, like it's going to be such a great, you will be kind of a magnet to everything that you want to attract in your life. Happy, good things and all that, all positive thoughts that you can think of, you can easily manifest that in your life, in your reality. So I would definitely recommend you to use this power that you are having as you enter into 2021. For some of you, you might be receiving a lot of blessings coming from different people in the year 2020 itself. Like as you end the year, maybe it's like a blessed uh you know um it's gonna be like somebody blesses you with something good, which is going to bring this magical it's more like everything in this world is going to be showering you with lots of blessings and happiness coming ahead for you. So it could be like some, maybe you did something good for someone that's gonna bless you with the, which could be the reason why you are getting blessed for everything that you want to have, that you wish to have. You are getting it all in abundance. So one thing I would recommend you, if you could go out, talk to the nature and make your wishes share your wishes with the universe, it's gonna just magnify the results of what you will get in your reality. So whatever it is that you wish for, whatever it is that you want, pray, affirm, let the universe know that these are the things that you want to happen, meditate, visualize. Again, be grateful for all the things that have been working out for you and that are going to work out for you in advance as well. I feel like this is going to be a beautiful year for you in all the ways of your life, and I do see you will be the one who will be making a choice in your life. You will have all the opportunities, and you will be the one selecting one of them. You will have all the people that you would like to come in your life and offer you love, and it will be your choice to choose which one you want to go for. So it's going to be like you will be pretty much in demand, pretty much in control of everything that is happening in your life. So wow, let's see more cards. Three of Pentacles. If you are single, I do see you choosing You're the One in the year 2021. And the rest of the offers that you have been getting or you will be getting, you are going to say no to them. You're going to say, like, I have chosen my the one. And that person is going to be your everything. That person is going to be the one that you would like to travel with, the one that you would like to spend your whole life with. That person is going to be the one that that will be the top most priority for you in the year 2021 for you. This person, whoever it is going to be, it's going to be like your life. That person is going to be your life. That person is going to become so important to you that you have no clue about right now. Ooh, the hangman came as a fool because it's a hangman card, which should be like this, but it came like tilted. So I feel like, it can be, that person could be somebody that you have been with for quite some time. Maybe things have been stagnant. And with the Wheel of Fortune turning around, this person is now having a new beginning with you in the year 2021. For some of you, maybe this is the new beginning that you are having with a specific someone in the year 2020, the last few days of the year 2020, and maybe that's going to be that's going to be the you know the new abundance or the new blessing that you would be having in the very beginning of the year, which is going to change your life and change the meaning of your life forever. This person would prove lucky for you in each and every way, or maybe you are going to prove lucky to this person in each and every way. And I do see whatever that has been stuck and stagnant in your life, it's like changing. New beginnings are heading for you in all areas of your life. But yes, I do see a lot of abundance coming up for you in the year 2021. And if you had some plans when it comes to travel or something, this person entering in your life is going to start working everything. Like, this person is going to be like the push that, that your life needs right now. And that's how you start everything, you will have everything started, moving forward for you in your life. And I do see that you will be definitely committing to this person in the year 2021. Maybe for some of you, you are going to commit to this person in the year 2020 itself, but for majority of you, it's going to happen in the very beginning of 2021. Let's see which two colors could be lucky for you in the year 2021. Take action number 32. Jade, spending time in the nature is going to be very beneficial for you if you could do that. Attract a relationship. Number 6, Rose. This is the soulmate connection that you have with a specific someone, the one that you are choosing over the other options that you had. I feel like it's the choice of a lifetime that you have made, or that you will be making in the very beginning of the year. And it's gonna be, I feel like for majority of you, this is like for 95% of you, this person is somebody from the past that you have been maybe holding yourself back from. You were not ready to make a decision around love life, and now you are doing so, and doing that with a big bang for sure. It is safe for you to love, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Maybe you have been reluctant to receive this offer or accept this offer in the past, but now you are doing so with open heart for sure. Let's see more cards here. Review and contemplation. You have accomplished a great deal in your life and you have much to be proud of. Now it's time to decide what's next. As you contemplate the past and the present, you will get clear on the divine life purpose. Don't be distracted by conventional thinking. Be the real you. I feel like you have achieved a lot when it comes to your finances and other areas of your life. Now it's going to be the next thing, next goal for you, the love life situation. Successful completion. You have completed a cycle with this person, and now it's going to be a new cycle that you're going to start with this person of yours. This is a time of incredible accomplishment. You are justified in feeling joy or sense of completion and pride in the amazing job you have done. You have been blessed with many spiritual insights. Soon you will begin a new journey, but for now, take time to bask in the happiness of your dreams coming true. Wow, it's going to be number 21. It's going to be the blessed year for you for sure. I feel like, you might have achieved, or maybe if your person was the one who was keeping their relationship stuck, maybe they have done whatever they were, doing, and now you and them are starting a new cycle together, which is full of abundance and is going to be very fulfilling too. Perception. I feel like green color is going to be very good for you. Green, purple, red. Green is something like spending some time in nature. Greenery is going to be very good for you because these colors are already these cards are also green. Green is a color of abundance as well. So that like I do see financial abundance too in your life coming up for you in the year 2021. It's a high time. I feel like you're changing your perception about a specific someone, and it's changing because of the cycle that you are coming out of, and the cycle that you're going to start new with this person. What do you need to release? There are certain things that you need to release, and I feel like that's you holding yourself back from getting into a committed relationship with a specific someone. It's time for you to let go of the past. It's time for you to let go of whatever it was that was stopping you from taking that action or decision in your life, and it's time for you to receive and open up yourself to love. Be bold and make the first move. I do see that maybe you are going to be the one reaching out to the person. The one maybe you have been maybe you have been having a lot of offers coming your way, but maybe you have been receiving all those offers, but you never accepted any offer because you wanted a specific someone that you always had a connection with. But yes, maybe you were not ready to receive, or you never felt that it is safe for you to love that time. So now, when you feel it, I feel like you are opening up to that one person, and you're gonna reject all the offers that you have been receiving lately, and you're gonna reach out to the person, making a move towards them who deserves the love that you have for them. Let's see more cards here. Aries, Gemini could be the sign of the person that you are dealing with. Self-worth and self-confidence. It can be you working on your self-worth or self-confidence. It can be them who have worked on their self-worth and self-confidence. Divinely protected. The connection that you have with this specific someone is divinely protected. Cancer, Leo could be the sign of the person. Again, you yourself is a Leo. Maybe the person that you are dealing with could also be a Leo as well. Then we have time to clear your energies. It's time for you to clear out any doubts, fears, and blocks that you had around love life and pursue your love life with a specific someone. It's time to receive your reward. It can be a message for your person, or it can be a message for yourself. Like it's time for you to receive your reward, the financial one, and then pursue your love life. You are divinely guided in each and every way. In the year 2021, it's going to be the year where you are blessed, feeling abundant, and guided towards the right path always. Gratitude is the key. Like I said earlier as well, try to make gratitude your habit in the year, or the way of life in the year 2021. It's going to help you receive more abundance. Spend time contemplating. The same message came up with this here. No, hold on. With this card, review and contemplate. It's time for you to contemplate on the decisions that you have been making in the life. And I feel like, one of that decision would be the decision of receiving love or opening yourself to receive love. Be blessed. I feel like you're already going to be blessed in the year 2021. But yes, stay blessed. Love yourself and you deserve it. It's time for you to love yourself. Allow love in your life. You know what to do next. Listen to your intuition. Always listen to your intuition. It has been guiding you and it will be guiding you in the future as well. Affirmations will help you to bring forth whatever it is that you want, especially if you have been out of touch with the person that you are reaching out to. Maybe affirmations are going to help you to reconcile with this person, whoever it is that you are dealing with. Feed the birds. Feeding birds would be lucky for you. It's going to help you release negativities out of your life. Heart to heart conversation. Have a heart to heart conversation with the person that you are dealing with. Fun party and gatherings would be the thing for you, or in the year 2021. For some of you, maybe you would be getting married to this person, or maybe celebrating some sort of reconciliation with this person. Don't fan your fears. It's time for you to stop fanning your fears. It's time to fan love and happy emotions. Prayers will be answered. It can be for you or it can be for the person that you are dealing with, but yes, your prayers are or will be getting answered. Happiness lies within you. Value yourself. It's time you value yourself along with the other things that you have been valuing lately. It's time for you to value what you need, what you desire as well. Listen to your higher self, listen to your inner guidance, and follow that. Let love in again. Time apart is needed, much needed. I feel like the time apart from this person already that you had is going to be the thing which is going to bring you two together. It was a much needed time apart, and that's how you are getting your reward now. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for Leos for the year 2021. If the reading resonates with you, to like, subscribe, and share. If you are willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. And till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.